So today I am here to speak few words about some motivational to our students. So daily every teachers they are saying how to read, how to write, how to behave in class, how to behave in your family, how to behave yourself in front of the elders, and how to respect your parents. These are all qualities you are learning daily on the in the prayer assembly hall. So if you are adopting these qualities in your life, then you become good in your life. Some students they are adopting, they are listening carefully, and what the teachers saying they are following it. It's good to your teachers and your elders also. So our opinion is that you have to all of you have to adopt these qualities in your life. Then only you become good person, good student, and good human being in future also. If you are neglect, or if you are what the teachers are saying, if you are just simply you are taking these things in your life, means there is no use. So learn every day, you have to learn new things. So if you are not understanding any topic, then you have to just practice it, don't leave it. So practice makes man perfect, you know that, you know it. So if one time you fail, then don't give it, then try again. If 2 times you not succeed, you not get to know, then try again. So if you try again until you don't understand the topic. So make the practice and learn from what the mistake you have done. So if you are don't do practicing, if you are don't learning, then how can you understanding your mistakes? So already everybody they are doing mistakes in their life. So whatever we are doing mistakes, from mistakes only we are learning new things. So that's very important point. So learning is very important, but mistake is also very important. By mistake only we are learning new things. So be confident yourself, be motivate yourself, and be hard work, do hard work. But last day, a few days before, we went Shine College for 1 day seminar, Karigara for 10 students. At that time, our DDPI sir, Furkan sir said one sayari. So that sayari I want to say in front of you. Are you ready? Motivational sayari for it? Are you ready to hear that? Okay, later you have to repeat one word, that is log hai na. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಜನ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೇದ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕುದುರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದ, ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಬಂಡಿ ಎಳಿತದ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏಟ್ಗೋ ತಪ್ಪುತ್ತಾವೇನ್ರಿ? ಆ ಮಾಲೀಕ ಅದು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ತಪ್ಪುತ್ತಾನೇನು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ತಕೊಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಆ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಚಿಯಾದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡ್ತದ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏಟ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವೇನೋ? ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಂದಗಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಜನಗಳಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ತಪ್ಪದೇನ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು. ಜನ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಿಂದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಡಿಮೋಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. So that's why one of the motivational shairi is there. I want to say, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ